Indian cloud storage service Digibox launched at an affordable Rs30/month. After indigenous TikTok and cam scanner alternatives that were launched in India in the past 6 months, we have today been greeted with an Indian cloud storage solution. Dubbed Digibox, the service is a homegrown data storage and management platform that furthers the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. It has been launched by India's Niti Aayog and enables netizens to securely save their data to the cloud inside the country at very affordable prices. Digi Box Features. Digibox was initially set to debut on 15 August to provide netizens with an Indian alternative to Google Drive and Box. Better late than never, the service has made its debut today for both individual, as well as enterprise users. Digibox is defined as a digital asset management service, where you can easily store and collaborate with friends by sharing digital assets, like raw files, photographs, sensitive collateral, etc. To start using Digibox, you need to provide a name for your DigiSpace, which does seem unnecessary for an individual account, along with an email address, a phone number, for OTP verification, your residential address, and a lot more information. Once set up, you can freely upload files, access, and edit them via the web or mobile app. You can also share it with others, use advanced search features with metadata, formats, and sizes. The highlight of Digibox is that the service adheres to the data protection bill and stores all of your uploaded data on Indian servers while also boasting of files being encrypted at a database level. The development of Digibox is, in many ways, a testimony to the kind of impact which tech startups in India are making and the kind of role which they should play in enabling India to make rapid technological advances in the post-COVID era, said Mr. Amitabh Kant, CEO of Niti Aayog at the launch event. Digibox is currently available on the web, official website link, and Android, free. The iOS and desktop apps are currently in development. They will be available in the coming weeks. Insta Share. Besides the storage solution, Digibox integrates yet another popular feature that lets users share files with friends or colleagues without having to create an account. This is similar to WeTransfer or Send Anywhere. Here, the feature is called Insta Share. You simply need to input your email ID, mobile number, and the recipient's email ID to send files up to 2 GB in size for free. Your files will remain stored on Digibox servers for 45 days, post which it is deleted and won't be accessible via the mailed link. Digibox pricing in India. Talking about the pricing, you can create a free account on Digibox to get 20 GB of storage space. This means you get an additional 5 GB of storage in comparison to a free Google Drive, or a Google One, account. The free tier of Digibox also supports unlimited collaborators, a max file upload size of 2 GB, and a lot more. If you want more storage, you can shell out 30 rupees per month for up to 5 TB of storage space and a max file upload size of 10 GB. You can also opt for a yearly subscription by paying 360 rupees upfront. This is a single user account and businesses/enterprises are required to spend 999 rupees and more for up to 50 users, up to 50 TB storage space, and more. Enterprise users can also set expiry timers to shared files, automate backups, and manage users with ease. Digibox plans to add 2 important features, Gmail integration and real-time collaboration in the coming week. You will be able to edit files and work together on projects using this Indian cloud app as well. So yeah, do check out the service and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.